A political storm is brewing in Zimbabwe as President Mnangagwa's ambitious plans to extend his tenure and reshape the nation's governance face an unexpected and formidable challenge. At the heart of this unfolding drama is a remarkable convergence of retired military commanders, once rivals, now united in their opposition to proposed constitutional amendments that critics are branding a constitutional coup. This unprecedented alliance sees loyalists of late former Army Commander General Solomon Mujuru joining forces with the disgruntled allies of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, many of whom were instrumental in bringing Mnangagwa to power in 2017, but have since been banned from their positions. Please subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipping the headline of Daniel Kwachinzi, Mnangagwa's coup-proofing strategy backfires as Chiwenga's generals who removed Mugabe joins hands with the Mujuru's generals. President Mnangagwa, now 83 years old, is navigating severe internal crisis as he seeks to consolidate his authority and push for a term extension to 2030. His administration is also attempting to reform political, electoral, and governance system, which insiders suggest are primarily for legacy purposes. However, these moves have ignited a fierce backlash from a significant segment of retired military leaders and senior civil servants who view them as an affront to the nation's democratic principles. The convergence of Mujuru and Chiwenga's allies is a development that underscores the gravity of the situation. Historically, General Mujuru and Vice President Chiwenga were considered rivals, yet the current political climate was forged in unlikely unity among their respective supporters. A former Zimbabwe Defense Forces ZDF commander speaking to the Newshawks articulated the essence of this new coalition. In quotes, what is happening now is that former army commanders who helped President Mugabe to come to power in 2017, but were pegged later, they found each other with Mujuru's loyalists to form a coalition to oppose the constitutional amendments. Retired Air Vice Air Marshal Henry Muchena is echoing the voice of Mujuru allies who were removed. He is a former Mujuru ally before his death in 2011. Retired Lieutenant General Winston Sgaukima represents those supporting him. Remember, Muchena was principal director in ZANU-PF Commissariat Department. After retiring from the Air Force in 2010, he was removed by Mnangagwa from his position after he took over. However, there are many other generals who were removed after 2017, mainly Vice President, retired General Constantino Chiwenga allies, such as retired Lieutenant General Anselm Sanyatwe and retired Lieutenant General Njobe Tulkeje. So there is now a convergence of Mujuru and Chiwenga's allies to oppose the constitutional changes. Toma Miru Azvakaita muri Zimbabwe, Zarati tukupene mkure according to my Zimbabwe news. Mina comment section medu zafungura emo today pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, punch it on the bell icon.